Kwa nkorokia miaka iri, kaunti ya Meru itonete ukiri kumania na nkirithano gatigatika uria wari ngavana wa kaunti Kawira Mwangaza na MCAs bambungeji. MCAs bambiririe bagwatanirite ta nkima indi njirene bamwe bao bethiro bakigaruka bangi na batonya kambine ya Kawira Mwangaza indi amwe na nthama iji batombire kurito ya ratiri bara batigirwe batekugwatanira na Kawira bakioneka gwitana mbere kurikithia Meri murungamo jwao na kuga manto jatebui Meru na kenda ethirwa ikibwa no mwanka Kawira aane abunge ba na kagita kankurukia miaka iri bakioneka kwaga toro na kinya kuinyiria no mwanka bethirwe bakinogokia Meru kuma utongeria abwa uria wari ngavana wa kaunti na ria muthia mugambithania Bahati Mwamuye arikithia wendi bwa baingi nendhuranirite rugonoru Rwethiritwe rugendo rujuri muthoro nkoro njiro na kinya ororo bonene ndene ya mbunge ya kaunti ya Meru bakiamukira bo imwe kwa imwe ni MC ba Meru bare bainge batoneka gukenera buru utongeria bwao kuma bare kunywa mumajo tungata bakiorota wathani bwa ngavana uria weberetwe Kawira Mwangaza thina chionde chionekanire kumira Kawira akurega kunenkira MCA kigina kia ward fund kiria kionekanire kureta ntangurutano enene.
The rogue governor will not have an opportunity to go in another court to correct what we have done.
Ondo bwao mwonekanire wero nere ambere buru MCA baba kurega kwa mukira ntumiri ya Kawira bakirega abariria mbungene kirirwaria rwa ambere buru bonde bakioneka kumaruka mbungene je.
At this juncture, I welcome Our Excellency Bishop Kawira Mwangaza to give a hand raise to the other members of this assembly. Welcome, Governor.
National government and the county government president, good afternoon. It is an honor and privilege to stand before you, Honorable Speaker and Honorable Member of the Assembly, and address you as the third governor of the great county of Meru. This is the team of Meru County Progressive Trust into center to steer the development agenda of the county in the next 5 years.
Mwanka Speaker Yubundi arungi karwaria rwawe ne kwethura gutari na MCA bakungana.
This assembly of governor have a seat of governor. Having no quorum in the house, I suggest that clerk will take the next tender.
Bora mwathingatirire ni Rais Ruto na uria wari munini wawe Rigathi Gachagua bagita muchemanio kwaririria ikundi bibio biere na bachoka betikaniria.
Tugintu gya kumakira county government ikaumire sawa ibakwaria bwega ayumbi bakwaria bwega na kinya bara batumike ki MCA nyawe bakwaria bwega
ende wetekaniria bo botakarire kinya ntuko inganona batathukana kairi
angucokeria MCA beto nkatho ikurwa mana musimamo yura yuitawa yo muntu uthomi ndore kinya gathirwo injeshi kinya gathirwo president kinya eta ma president yonthe yanthe uru kinya muchemanio kabwitho imbi ndande yura president yo US kinya kabwitho president yo ma wanthe iriko yutete kauntu orende Kawira aina atira chietekeria we imutongorio bati kurianira bangi achietekeritie no mwene county na arua na thuriro na county athuriro arerwa ne awe ibu ntunkubwira kwa thoni illiterate kurinya na Kawira ati uvavanua county ethuri MCA gathuro MP gathuro women rep na gathuro senator na bonthe bathuri bakaria ku anto ba Meru Kawira ende ari ona wonto na thuriro ae ngavana no ekuwa emanto yonthe
ende wetekaniria bobo takarire kinya ntuko inganona batathukana kairi na kinya rwaria rwa kinywa mbunge kwa egeria ria mbere ria kweberia Kawira Mwangaza rero akinyithitwe ni DMK Kiogora ende amwe na bu Kawira ono kwa ni senate.
The duties allocated to this house by the constitution is oversight, legislation, representation, Mr. Speaker, and the fourth one that is not very pronounced, impeachment, Mr. Speaker, and that's why we are here today.
Any business going to the Senate to defend the case because we'll have sorted the issue of processes, and I believe by the time we finish they will agree with us.
Honourable members, I'm now informed that the High Court has today in constitutional petition number E024/2022 issued conservative orders to the governor. On that note, we have an obligation to uphold the rule of law, which includes to respect the orders of the Honorable Court as it has already pronounced itself on the matter.
MCA bamwe bambirie kugwata mbaru mama iria yari gutwirwa rietwa gwonka na bangi bauga gutikio kia gwonka kiri au ikumite
ero igutongerwa uria bateri gutongerwa na turenda ukwira ukawira tugakwa thigũnkũ ya Christmas utote ukumenya na ntomate ba ukumenya kawira na kogeta na itukurombera thigũnkũ tutikura na ugwa kawira mara magetija kinyite.
MCA baba tano gakinya nini ibageririe maita jange jana na Jojo Muthia iju jombete kwingata kawira Mwangaza jotireri ne zipora kinya.
Assembly therefore resolves to impeach the governor of Meru under the Article 181 of the Constitution.
MCA barabara bakuga bakonoga guturiria kawira marukenda bamukira weti na mbere wardine chao ne bakurukirie budget ya kugaira umurandi kigina kiao.
Budgeting process ni ambiriretie kuna public participation kuma Royo aoke na Lamisi na budgeting process ito kwa nomekomela ito tukiwa to members of county assembly together to ina program based budget kana budget ire na mirandi na marieto yayo na kinya equalization bill ne okinya together to ekolokia irani akaomba kwa na Meru county
ekuringithia ngugire cibati kwithiro ikimenyero imwe ekuru na ne gutethia ekuru kenda ithiro iri gender responsive
na budget itugite twamithia twekin tumithie tutumite ire gwitwa toothpick tukandika o project na rieto riayo na twamigaira mbecha ikenda tumba kunganania project tumbonganania wandi chionthe na wandi chekisha wandi ukurukirwa
mbere ya koti kurikithia ati kawira ati wengavana wa Meru MCA ba ibarare bagukinyithia rwaria rwa kwingata a minister bawe barakinya barabare bambere bamwe bao baregirwe ni MCA
tubanganetie kaire bubweru na twanyia departments iria cia ithanthatu na kikuonania gutingo gikarungama na kethira gikora mwing'ani mono bakambiria gwita ngugi kuma na arua
gatuge MCA ba kwa miaka 2 na nusu batindite ndwene yake kurega kwiganwa na rukukinya kuoneka gatigati kao aria bamwe bachonetwe kathanjuga kugwatanira na kawira Mwangaza kiuria nande ni mutumantu ivingianywa muma akagwatithania MCA ba Maureen Kinya, Wero TV.